Good morning, students. This is Bhavna Sinha, your physics teacher, and this is the second video for this week. As you all know, we are doing the chapter Work and Energy, and in today's class, we are going to continue with the discussion on which topic? Work topic. Okay, some points we have already discussed in the last class. Today, we are going to discuss some more topics. So, the first point which I am going to explain you here is what is 1 joule work. How can we define 1 joule work? If you are knowing, joule is the SI unit of work done. So we are going to define that 1 joule. A situation where 1 Newton force is applied on an object that can move the object by a distance of 1 meter. Okay, in the direction of the applied force, then 1 joule of work is said to be done. In the last class, we have discussed the formula of work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. So what is the definition of 1 joule work? When force is unity, that means 1 Newton force. This force is how much? What is the magnitude of the force? It is 1 Newton force is applied on an object, and the displacement that takes place in the object is of 1 meter. When 1 Newton force is applied on an object and 1 meter displacement occurs in that object, then the work done by the object is known as 1 joule of work. Okay, so when we put unit force and which causes unit displacement, then the product of that unit force and unit displacement is known as 1 joule of work. Okay, so this is the definition of joule. Okay, now let us see some other points related to it. This joule is the SI unit of work. Joule is what? It is the SI unit of work, and joule can also be referred as Newton meter. We can derive this formula from the definition of work done. You can see here formula of work done. Just now I have written work done, which is represented by W, is equal to force F into displacement D. Okay, so we can simply write W is equal to F into D. Now the SI unit of F is N, that is Newton. You can write in bracket down Newton, into D, it is meter. So it is Newton meter, and Newton meter is known as joule. So SI unit of work done is Newton meter, that is joule. Okay, so joule is the SI unit of work. Now depending upon the direction of displacement and force applied, the nature of work done may vary. Now consider the table. You can see the table here. The direction of displacement same as the direction of force. In whichever direction the force is applied, in the same direction the displacement is occurring, then work done is equal to W is equal to FD. This is positive work done. Okay, and what is the angle between force applied and displacement occur? It is 0 degree, because both are in the same direction parallel to each other. That is why the angle between force applied and displacement occurred is equal to 0, and this is known as positive work done. Now negative work done, opposite, that means the force is applied in different direction and the displacement has taken place in opposite direction. Here the angle between the force applied and displacement occur is 180 degree. So W is equal to minus Fd. So it is negative work done. And when the force is applied on the object and no change in the position, that means no displacement has occurred, so W is equal to F into D. F is equal F into 0 because no displacement has occurred, so W is equal to 0. This is known as 0 work done. And what is the angle between force applied and displacement occurred? It is 90 degree. What is the angle between force applied and displacement occurred? It is 90 degree. So when the displacement occurs in the same direction of the force, the work done is equal to W is equal to Fd, and the nature of the work done is positive, and since force and displacement are in the same direction parallel to each other, so the angle between them is 0 degree. The second is when the direction of displacement is opposite to the direction of force. Okay, then W is equal to minus Fd, and since minus Fd is there, so it is negative work done. And what is the angle between them? It is 180 degree. Now next one is no change in the position. When there is no change in the position, so W is equal to F into 0, that is 0. And so the nature of work done is 0, and the angle between the force and displacement is 90 degree. So we can say that there are three types of work done on the basis of direction of displacement and force applied. What are those three types of work done? The first is positive work done, the second is negative work done, and the third is 0 work done. Positive work done when the direction of force and displacement is in the same, means they are in the same direction, and so there will be 0 angle formed between force and displacement, and so the work done will be positive. If the direction of force and displacement are opposite, then the work done will be W is equal to minus Fd, and the nature of this type of work done is negative, and the angle between force and displacement will be 180 degree. And when there is no change in position, the force is applied on the object but there is no change in the position, no displacement has occurred, then the value of displacement will be 0. So W is equal to F into 0, it is 0. So the nature of work done is 0. And what is the angle between force and displacement? It is 90 degree. So these are the three types of work done on the basis of direction of displacement and force applied. You can see here diagrammatically it is being shown here. This is negative work done. You can see here the frictional force is being exerted. The pushing force is towards right side, the frictional force is towards left side, so the motion of the object is towards right side, and so this is negative work done. Now the second one is, you can see it is positive work done. Which type of work done? Positive work done, because force is applied and the displacement is also taking in the same direction. So W is equal to Fd, because the direction of force and displacement both are same, so it is positive work done. Now next one is last is this one. This is 0 work done. The person is means force is applied in the upward direction, but no displacement is occurring in the object, so this is 0 work done. So these are the three types of work done on the basis of direction of force applied and the displacement occurred in the body. Negative work done, positive work done, and 0 work done. So this is all about the types of work done. Rest we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.